Hello Professor, my name is Nikunj Thakur and today I'm going to show you assignment 4, which is secure API with full CRUD UI. So for that I have created one API in the VS Code, and that is for that I have choose the platform for that to show you is iOS. So let me move with my API. So this is my assignment for API. So for that I have created all the necessary function for the API, that is register, login, and to show the movie list, delete, update, and add functionality. So this is other TS, which is for the function I have generated, which is registration and the login. In the movie.ts I have generated function for the display movie and find the movie by ID, update, delete, and add functionality. And in the movie.ts I have and movie in the models I have added the movie models and user model for the registration and movie, fetching the movie from the MongoDB. In the root.th this is the auth routes which I allow user to register and log in and log out for using the API. So and for the movie.ts, so after login user can access the with find by ID, add, update, and delete. But user can check the movie list without authentication. So I didn't use the authentication here. So but for the other functionality, I use the authentication with the JWT. So this is my API, and I have already uploaded on the render to generate API. So this is my movie API, which is for assignment 4 only. So and in the postman, if I click on here, so it show the 20 movie lists which I added on the MongoDB, and all the 20 movies as per requirement I have added here. And let's move to my Xcode. So this is my Xcode. In the main screen you can see there is a 4 screen, one login, register, and there is one for the list and update and delete functionality. For the movie controller, here you can see I have added my movie API to get to list from the movie, and it shows all the movie. And I also added the table view for the movie list view, and there is delete functional logout functionality as well for the logout button. And move for the movie, for the table, here is the movie table, models, and add API. So this allow user to add or edit the movie list. So here is the functionality for that. As for the API, if it's success, it can add and update movie list. And here for the login functionality, I have created one function for the using API login view controller, which allows user to log in using the APIs here with the user and password. User register. If user doesn't have the login, then they can register using the register functionality. Let me show you by register here. Click on the register. Click Nick iOS. iOS 456 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I click on it, so my user registered successfully. You can see here. If I click on any iOS, my user, if I click on login, it show here that the user login successfully. So all the 20 movie lists are added here. If I click on the add movie, if that is 0014, here I can add as a test movie. If I click on the add, it's added as a test movie. If I click on here and add one studio, then it's allowed to update. So let's check. Okay, so here you can see there is an update in the studio. If I click on the right and delete, then the movie is deleted successfully. So here my movie is successfully deleted with the swipe right. If I want to log out, I can here with the logout functionality. So this is all for my assignment 4. Thank you, Professor, for listening.